Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Freeyum. This here is a bar that it's raspberry chia bar, and I got a sample of this to try. So it's gluten free, non-GMO, free of top 9 priority allergens. So we're talking about eggs, milk, sesame, soy, what else does it say here? Wheat, tree nuts. Yeah, so let's do a quick taste test. There's pictures of them right there. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And rolled oats, we got flakes, honey, cinnamon. Yeah, let's try this out. These are tiny, by the way. Wow, looks pretty nice. Oh crap, oh well. Let's do a quick taste test here. Okay, so it falls apart, and it's nice. It's like a little nougat type of bar, but it is very. It's really sweet actually, but it's good. It has a nice raspberry flavor. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please post. Drive a shout.